Hello dear students, now today we are going to discuss about nucleophilic substitution reaction. It is a very simple reaction in 11th, that is organic mechanism. ऑर्गॅनिक मेकॅनिझम मध्ये ठीक आहे बेटा. तर काय करायचं आपल्याला न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन मध्ये सुरुवातीला दोन कॉन्सेप्ट क्लिअर पाहिजेत. फर्स्ट कॉन्सेप्ट, व्हॉट इज इन बाय न्यूक्लियोफाइल अँड व्हॉट इज इन बाय सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन. सो न्यूक्लियोफाइल्स आर द स्पेसीज विच आर हॅव्हिंग नेगेटिव्ह चार्ज ऑन इट. Sometimes they are neutral but must have the lone pair of electrons on that. Okay, that concept is nothing but your nucleophile. So what is by substitution reaction? Yes, it is a type of organic reaction in which one atom or group of atom is substituted by other new atom or group of atom. That is a substitution reaction. Clear? So these 2 points combine together and then see the nucleophilic substitution reactions. Clear beta? So in 11th and 12th we have to focus on two mechanisms which are most important, that is SN1 and SN2 mechanism. So now in today's lecture we are going to discuss about SN2 mechanism. So what SN2 mechanism stands here? Substitution न्यूक्लियोफिलिक बायमॉलिक्युलर. सबस्टिट्यूशन न्यूक्लियोफिलिक बायमॉलिक्युलर किंवा त्याला आपण असं सुद्धा म्हणू शकतो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सबस्टिट्यूशन रिएक्शन बायमॉलिक्युलर. सो टेक वन एक्झाम्पल अँड डिस्कस विथ देअर स्टिरियोकेमिस्ट्री. डिस्कस विथ देअर स्टिरियोकेमिस्ट्री. सो लुक ॲट हिअर. सो फर्स्ट जस्ट थिंक अबाउट द रिएक्शन. क्लोरोमिथेन रिएक्ट विथ aqueous KOH convert into methanol. Very simple example but important. If you think about the nucleophile, okay, so this OH minus and K plus. So OH minus is a nucleophile because they carry negative charge on it. So here nucleophilic substitution. So chlorine is substituted by OH. Look at this, most important. That is substitution reaction. That is a substitution reaction. So how to focus on the SN2? What is the meaning of SN2? In SN2 mechanism, what happen? The attack of a nucleophile takes place backside. Attack of nucleophile takes place backside. So see the example and then discuss in details. So what happened? If you think about this one, so already you all know about that. Dotted line indicate that the atom which is below the plane and thick line indicate that the atom which is above the plane. So write stereochemistry here in simple way. But actually stereochemistry is not studied in this example. We have to select chiral carbon, chiral center. We will see in the next example with stereochemistry. First of all, understood simple. What is the SN2 mechanism? Look at here. This nucleophile is a substrate. So nucleophile attack takes place from backside and leaving group Cl is a leaving group and it is going to depart from the reaction mixture. So here what happened in a transition state, the bond breaking process and making process takes place simultaneously. So OHC bond is going to form BF and here CCl bond is going to break, bond is going to break.